So what's up everyone, how you guys doing? So today in this video we're going to be doing a big wheel conversion on the Stomp Z3R140. Also guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like down below, and also if you're new around here, click the subscribe button. As you can see, I've just done the big wheel conversion. I think it looks really good, to be honest, for £130. It's a little bit pricey, but it really makes your pit bike look so much different. And I've just literally just rode on it, and it just feels a lot smoother. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna end off this video. I'm gonna end off this video now. If you guys obviously did enjoy, please like, and if you're new around here, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.